Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Honey. So, on May 17th was my sister's Mehzabeen's birthday, and me and my mom took up the challenge during these tough times to make her happy. Here in this video, we prepare 3 dishes: leches cake, pepper chicken, and for the dessert, Mehzabeen, which is just a fancy schmancy name for Arabian pudding. Yes, this video is in English. As I get the chance to finally do a voiceover, I decided why not do the video in English. So welcome folks to the Honey's first English video. Now, on to the fun part, food. First, we make the leches cake. Mehzabeen loves this cake. I mean, who doesn't? If it's you, you might have a problem. In here, I've got 6 egg whites and 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. We beat up the egg whites until it turns frothy and white in a low speed. Once it turns white, we slowly add in the sugar. We slowly add the sugar and beat it up in high speed until it looks like beautiful white fluffy clouds. In another bowl, we have taken the yolks of the 6 eggs with 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We'll be adding in the dry mixture of 1.5 cup of refined flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, which are sifted 3 times to avoid any lumps and give it an airy feel. We beat the egg yolks and then add the dry mixture slowly. We beat up the mixture slowly, adding in 1/2 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of oil alternatively. Beat up the mixture slowly so as to not form any lumps. Now we have 2 bowls of mix, one with egg white mix and another with egg yolk mix. We add the white mix on the yolk mix and slowly fold it like that. We'll do that for the rest of the mixture. After folding, we shall pour the batter into a cake pan lined with parchment paper and greased with butter. Tap the pan in order to eliminate any bubbles. We now place the cake pan onto a 10-minute preheated cooker and close it as it cooks on low heat for 35 to 40 minutes. Ask an adult to help you if you need help. After it has cooked and cooled down, transfer the cake to a plate. Poke many holes on the cake with a fork. We will now pour a milk mix onto the cake. This includes 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of whipping cream and 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Then keep it in the fridge for at least half an hour. And after half an hour, we took out the cake from the fridge and decorated it with frosting and sprinkles. Now for the next dish, pepper chicken. First, we sort in 1 onion sliced, 6 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of GG paste. Then add in 2 tablespoons of pepper, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, 1 teaspoon of jeera or caraway seeds. Sort it until that raw smell wears off. Add oil whenever required. After the raw smell wore off, let's add 1 kg chicken and some water and set it to cook. After it's cooked, add in the grinded cashews and stir it up. The cashews were first soaked for 15 minutes. Garnish it with coriander leaves and turn off the flame. Now for the Arabic dessert, Mehzabeen. First, we will mix 3 tablespoons of corn flour into 2 cups of milk. Then add half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Stir on the stove until the pudding is thickened. Also, add 1 tablespoon of rose water while stirring it. It gives a pungent flavor. You can serve the pudding in glass. On top of the pudding, I have poured mango puree on it. Mango puree was just a cup of mangoes, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk and half a cup of just plain old milk blended. And you can garnish the pudding with any topping of your desire. And the cake, the pepper chicken and the dessert was all ready for the birthday girl. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit on that subscribe button. All of our other social media handles are listed below if you wanted to check them out. And that's it for today. Bye-bye.